Hello, my little stars. Hope you all are doing well. Huh? You all are very good. So, just hoping for that, I also pray that you all must rise. Here, in the chapter 9 of subject EVS, what is written there? Chapter 9 of EVS, food. Very interesting topic. You love eating food. Yes or no? Huh? What is there? There is a plate. Is what is kept there? Pulse, rice, vegetables, chapati. This is a food we eat every day. Now here, milk, glass of juice, that butter, bread, eggs. Here you can see that sevaiya. Here fruits, that vegetables. Here you can see that sweets, laddu, rasgulla, like chicken, mutton, like. So these are what? All are food. When we eat food, it gives us energy. So that is why food is called energy giving. What? To our body. Food gives us energy to work and play. If you want to work, to do the work very nicely, without any mistakes like that, with full energy, then what do you need? You need food. If you have eaten food, you can do your work very good, very nicely, without making mistakes. Like mama also gets that happy, your teacher also gets happy, your parents, your father also, your grandparents also, right? Huh? And if you are playing, you can play very well with full energy. If you are just, your stomach is full. When you are hungry, stomach not full, you cannot get the energy. That time anyhow you complete work in that dirty way and just want to eat something. And in playing games time also, if your stomach is not completely that full, and that that you are feeling hungry, your that mind will also not allow to play. You will not love to play. If you are stomach full that want to play, that time also can play. But after eating immediate, you should not play. After eating, you should take rest of the half an hour, then can you play. Then you can play, right? Here you can see that page number 25, chapter 9, food. All of us need food to live. To live on that, we all need food. And other chapters I told you, if that food is there, that we can live for that long time. Food gives us energy to work and play. We eat different kinds of food. We eat different kinds. Some food we drink and some food we eat. Some food we drink. That is also food. The thing that some food we drink, it is also food. Okay, it comes in. That water is a very good food to the body. Milk is called complete food. If you have taken milk, it's that fulfill that all necessity of the body. Coffee is also that food, but it is drink. Milk drink, water we drink, juices we drink, but it is also food. Tea we drink, it is also food. Soup we drink is also food. And soft drink also, a drink we eat, that is also called food now. Food we eat, eggs, fruits, breads, vegetables, butter, chicken, rice, chapatis, dosa, sugar, and like many more. Huh? Like dals and other grains and other types of the foods that we eat and drink. Many more names are there in your day-to-day life. We just eat and drink. So that balanced diet and balanced food, but we must know that we should eat that balance. Balance, we must eat the food and we must drink the food. Balance. If we are taking excess of that milk, of excess of the water, excess of that coffee and the soup, the stomach can get upset. If we eat excess like rice and that fried rice, Manchurian, chicken, fruits, excess of that eggs or things of that made from vegetables and fruits, and so it with this way our stomach can get upset. Okay, so we should eat food, we should drink food, and properly. Some food we drink food, and we eat food. Both the food give us energy. If you are just want to drink that, if you have taken milk and started studying and writing, playing, that also can do very well. If you have taken that juice and just want to play, can very well. If you are feeling hungry, you have eaten something like rice, chapati and that bread, you get the energy. So food gives us energy whether we drink food or we eat food. Okay. Now open page number 26. There you see that. There I just telling you now that if we excess eat and drink, that stomach get upset. So there are some timings of our food. You all are having timing? Yes, we all are having timing. We should eat and drink timely. It makes our body fit and healthy also. Okay, the first time is that breakfast. At what time we take breakfast? In the morning. At what time we should take the breakfast? In the morning when the sun rises, like that. And at what time next food of the body? After breakfast in the morning we can do many work. Then after 3-4 hours we again get hungry. That what time comes? Lunch. Lunch time. At what time we take lunch? Afternoon. Okay, we take lunch in the afternoon when the sun shines like bright sun. Okay, then after dinner, what time we should take dinner? What time we should take dinner? When? That's night. That time we should take dinner at night. When that moon is there, stars are blinking, that time we should take dinner. These three are very important food for our body. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, we should take regularly, timely. Morning breakfast, you must know the time of the breakfast, that 7 a.m. 7 o'clock पे आपको breakfast लेना है. Morning clock आपकी होगी 7. ठीक है, 7 a.m. Afternoon 1 p.m. The dinner 9 p.m. These are the proper timing for your proper food. 3 types of food we must take. We must take 3 times. Times 3. We should take these 3 times food regularly: breakfast, lunch, dinner. And in between we can take some snacks also. Just like in the evening we can take milk, juices, and the morning time after breakfast also you can take some juices and milk, like. Okay, so make the habit of right time of eating food, and eating habits also. Always eat food that is freshly cooked. Okay, if your mama has cooked the food fresh, that we should take fresh food. Food must be kept covered, and after making the food, our food must be covered. Your mama knows well. If the open food is kept and you are saying want to eat, no, that one we should not take. You just open, then eat. Chew food properly and swallow it. Just take small bites and chew like this. Lips closed, okay? This is the right way to eat food. Always wash hands before, always wash your fruits and vegetables before eating. If you want to eat any fruit or vegetable, you just wash it. And wash your hands regularly after 20 minutes for 30 seconds, okay? Why we should wash hands and fruit, vegetables, everything? It's just that dirty dirt and germs, that to keep germs and dirt keeps away from us, okay? Now exercises we do, just see, look at the pictures here. Picture of butter, picture of that fruit, picture of water, picture of chicken, picture of what? Rice. You have to write that spelling of that. First picture and that letter you see B. Exercise A. So what will come? B, U, double T, E is there, R. Butter. Number 2, R is there, I, C, E is what? Rice. This is rice, this is butter. Number 3, what? Fruits. F, R, U, I, T, S. Fruits. Right? Number 4, chicken. C, H, I, C, K, E, N. Number 5, water. W, A, T, R. Water. You have to fill and complete the spellings like, okay? I'll give you the worksheets also. Next is what? Exercise B, you see there. Take the correct answer. Number 1. We must always wash our hands before eating. Yes. Number 2. Drinking dirty water good for health? No. Number 3. We should cover food item? Yes. Number 4. Milk is a complete food? Yes. Now, next picture you have to write the names of food items. Sweet is what? Sweet is what?